Hey beauties, today I'm making ground chicken quesadillas. So first to start off is to pan fry the ground chicken. I sliced up some garlic and onions, and for the spices I used organic ground turmeric, simply organic paprika, Mrs. Dash extra spicy, and Mrs. Dash Fiesta lime, as well as onion powder and garlic powder. Once your chicken is cooked, set it aside. Heat up a skillet on medium-high. Add avocado oil. Add your low-carb tortillas. I use Carb Balance, Mission brand. Now you can serve it with your avocado salsa, guacamole. I use Trader Joe's Green Dragon hot sauce, it's really good, as well as Pace medium salsa. So hope you guys try it out. Let me know if you like it and hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.